What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can run games with OBB files directly from your SD card. But before we get into all of that, make sure you drop that like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified of any future content. But without out of the way, let's get into the video. So you're going to need 3 or 4 things in this video. Firstly, root explorer. Of course, you're gonna need root permissions, so make sure that your phone is rooted. If it's not, make sure you check the description. I am gonna put separate links for that. Secondly, you're gonna need Xposed Framework, so you have to make sure you have an Xposed Framework installed on your device. Thirdly, you're gonna need the app in the description. I'm gonna link that in the description as well. And lastly, the game that you're gonna run. So OBB files are simply resources that are needed by the game to run properly. This usually applies to bigger games such as Free Fire, PUBG, Fortnite, Need for Speed, those kind of games. And you can easily locate them if you go into your internal storage right here. And then you go into the Android folder and then the OBB. That's where the resources will be located. So today we're going to be using ᎢᎬᎢᎢᎬᎢ 2 as our test subject with 609 megabytes of files. So as you can tell, this is my internal storage and this is the file. I'm just going to delete that. And the OBB files are directly in my SD card. Now we are going to try to link these to the internal storage and the SD card. So supposedly from Android 6, Android restricted users from using SD cards as their internal storage for some, I don't know, godforsaken reason. But I'm going to be showing you how we can go through all of that. So firstly, just make sure you install Xposed installer and the framework is active. And then on modules, just make sure the X internal SD, change the path to internal SD card is installed, version 4.8 the latest. I'm gonna put that in the description. So firstly, we're gonna run the game without linking the files to the external SD card. And as you can tell, ᎢᎬᎢᎢᎢᎢᎢᎢ 2 is unable to find the resources needed to run the game, so it's just gonna say downloading. So we're just gonna close that. And we're just gonna clear data. And I just want to thank everybody who has been liking, commenting, and subscribing, guys. We've been pushing so much. We're about to reach 1k. We're supposed to hit 1k in like October, but I was hoping we can push that maybe by September, but we'll see. It's just amazing. I just want to thank everybody. We really have been pushing, and I haven't been uploading that much, but thanks to everybody. So now we're gonna go and open X internal SD card. I already have this framework and I've been using it for quite a long time, and I really recommend this application. It's the one that works the best for me. I've tried to use Link to SD and supposedly it causes a boot loop. I don't know why. Maybe it's the newer version. So now we're just gonna have to look for ᎢᎬᎢᎢᎢᎢ 2. You can use this on a lot of applications, as you can probably tell. I use this on my editing app, on PicSearch, on Telegram, and different type of applications so that they use my SD card, especially WhatsApp, so that all of my stuff goes to my SD card. But you can check this separate video in the description as well, where you can run WhatsApp from your SD card. What is happening? Why can't I find this ᎢᎬᎢᎢᎢᎢᎢ 2? If you have already found it, you like, I'm not sure what I'm doing. Okay, there's ᎢᎬᎢᎢᎢᎢ 2, and then you're just gonna press OK, and make sure you allow custom path to internal, and then make sure it detects your SD card, and then full access to external, and then you should be good to go. Now let's go try and run the app again. Okay, let me fix that. Okay, so it turns out after a few retries, I don't know, I was just impatient, so you have to let it load, and it's just gonna say looking for resources, and then the first time, once the app does its thing, it's gonna load up properly. So as you can now tell, we have now opened, so as you can probably tell, we're now running ᎢᎬᎢᎢᎢᎢᎢᎢ 2 directly from our SD card. And now to show you the proof, sorry for closing that. And now for the proof, we're just gonna open my file manager here. I like using Mix a lot because it's very better for multitasking. 5 minutes is okay. So as you can probably tell, here's our internal storage, and of course it's gonna create a folder, but as you can probably tell, there is nothing in this. And in our SD card here, Android OBB, you're gonna see we have our 600 plus megabyte file, the OBB files for Plants vs Zombies 2. So this is the method you can use, guys, as you can probably tell as well. I also have my Free Fire app, my Free Fire files directly in my SD card, so you can install a bunch of super heavy games like Mortal Kombat 10, Need for Speed Most Wanted, No Limits, different kind of games. I haven't tried, and the only limiting factor is going to be your hardware, of course. So you cannot go and install Mortal Kombat 10 on a 512 megabyte RAM device, as that's just overkill. It's not gonna work. But you can do this on games that you think that are going to be capable of running on your phone. So guys, this is the method that you can use to run OBB files. I'm sorry for everyone without a root device. I am going to try to make a separate video on how you can get this to work. But if you really enjoyed the video, do subscribe, drop that like. We're trying to reach 1K before October, and we're really moving at a steady pace. And I just wanted to thank everybody. It really means a lot to me when you subscribe and comments and like. But anyways, I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.